Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want your car to run like new and last as long as possible, there are some lesser-known maintenance tips that most people overlook. Here are 10 hidden secrets to keeping your car in top shape. 1. Reset your car's ECU after maintenance. The engine control unit, or ECU, adapts to your driving habits and engine conditions. After major maintenance like changing the air filter, spark plugs or fuel injectors, reset the ECU by disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the car to relearn optimal settings, improving performance and fuel efficiency. 2. Clean the mass airflow sensor or MAF every 10,000 miles. The MAF sensor measures air intake and helps regulate fuel injection. A dirty sensor can cause poor acceleration, rough idling and low fuel economy. Use MAF sensor cleaner, not regular cleaners, and let it dry completely before reinstalling. 3. Lubricate door hinges, locks and window tracks. Over time, door hinges and locks collect dirt, causing squeaks and stiffness. Spray a small amount of silicone lubricant or white lithium grease to keep them smooth. Apply dry Teflon or silicone spray to window tracks to prevent them from sticking or failing. Follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Your car's owner's manual provides a maintenance schedule tailored to your specific vehicle. Sticking to these service intervals ensures all major components function properly. Skipping scheduled maintenance can lead to bigger, more expensive repairs later. Replace air and fuel filters. A dirty air filter restricts airflow to the engine, reducing fuel efficiency and performance. The fuel filter removes contaminants from the fuel, preventing clogged injectors and engine misfires. Air filters should be replaced every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Fuel filters vary by vehicle, but typically last 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Check and clean grounding wires. Bad grounding connections can cause electrical issues including dim lights, weak ignition, and random warning lights. Locate the main ground wire, usually from the battery to the chassis, and clean corrosion with a wire brush or sandpaper. Apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Many people forget about power steering fluid, which can degrade and cause steering stiffness. Use a turkey baster or fluid pump to remove old fluid and replace it with fresh, manufacturer-recommended fluid. Doing this prolongs the life of your power steering pump and rack. A weak alternator can drain your battery and cause electrical malfunctions before showing warning lights. Use a multimeter to check the alternator output, which should be between 13.8 volts and 14.4 volts when the car is running. If the voltage is too low or fluctuates, replace the alternator before it fails. Weather stripping around doors and windows can dry out and crack over time, leading to leaks and wind noise. Spray silicone protectant on the rubber seals every few months to keep them flexible and prevent deterioration. Dirt, salt and moisture accumulate under the car, leading to rust and premature wear on suspension components. Spray underneath your car with a hose, or go to a car wash with an undercarriage wash option. Applying rust-proofing spray or rubberized undercoating adds extra protection. If you notice foggy windows, a musty smell, or damp carpets, water could be leaking inside your cabin. Common leak points include clogged sunroof drains, worn door seals, and damaged windshield seals. Use a shop vacuum to clear blocked sunroof drains and apply rubber seal conditioner to worn areas. Many people top off the gas tank after the pump stops, but this can cause problems. Modern fuel systems have evaporative emissions control (EVAP) systems that prevent gas vapors from escaping. Overfilling can flood the charcoal canister in the EVAP system, leading to check engine lights and costly repairs. Clean the throttle body. Carbon buildup can cause rough idling and hesitation. Inspect CV axles for cracks. Torn CV boots allow grease to leak, leading to expensive repairs. Check wheel bearings. If you hear humming or grinding while driving, worn bearings may be the cause. Replace the gas cap if it's loose. A bad gas cap can trigger the check engine light and hurt fuel efficiency. Use windshield washer fluid with water repellent. It improves visibility in rain and prevents streaks. By following these lesser-known maintenance tips, your car will stay in peak condition, run smoothly, and avoid costly repairs down the road.